Hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of timeless elegance and versatility with pleated midi skirts. Whether you're going for a chic office look, a casual weekend outfit, or a night out on the town, we've got you covered. The pleated midi skirt is a fantastic choice for the workplace, as it exudes sophistication without compromising comfort. Pair a solid colored pleated midi skirt with a crisp white button-down blouse for a polished look. Add a thin belt to accentuate your waistline, and slip into some comfortable heels or elegant flats. This ensemble strikes the perfect balance between professionalism and style. For those relaxed weekends, you can still look effortlessly chic with a pleated midi skirt. Tuck in a graphic tee or a knotted casual top to keep it laid back yet stylish. Complete the look with some white sneakers or strappy sandals for a comfortable and youthful outfit that's perfect for brunch or strolling around town. For the night outing, add a touch of glamour. The pleated midi skirt can rise to the occasion. Choose a metallic or sequined midi skirt for a dazzling effect. Pair it with a silky camisole or a fitted blouse in a complementary color. Accentuate your waist with a statement belt and elevate the outfit with strappy heels or pumps. You'll be ready to steal the spotlight at any special event. And there you have it. Pleated midi skirts are truly a fashion staple that offers endless styling possibilities. From office elegance to casual weekends and glamorous evenings, these skirts can do it all. Embrace your unique style and create your signature looks with pleated midi skirts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay fabulous.